Hey guys, welcome back to DelfStack, and this is how to return the old pop-up of Messenger back. So guys, if you ever wondered on how to get the chat head or bubbles popping up again, to do that, it's very easy. So first, you would just simply go ahead and go to the Messenger application into your device. Now over here, you could just simply go for the menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, here guys, you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings at the top over here. Now here on the settings, you could just simply scroll down a little bit until you see over here down below chat heads. So here on the chat heads, if you turn this on, you should be able to have the old pop-up back in. So when people message you, automatically you will have a pop-up into your phone. So from here, pretty much you could just simply turn it off if you don't want it, or you could just simply turn it on if you want the old pop-up on your messenger. But guys, mostly it causes lag when you turn on chat heads. So I recommend going for the off. But if you have a very important message that you are waiting, of course, you could just simply turn it on. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.